Everyone, myself Tarun. Today our group is going to do a project fire alarm circuit. The components required are 4 volts battery, buck converter. We use buck converter because we should convert 4 volts voltage to 5 volts for this fire alarm circuit project. This is potentiometer varies voltage. This is LM358 IC. This is 10 kilo ohms resistor. This is thermistor senses temperature. Resistance decreases when temperature is high.
The 10 kilo ohm resistance and the 10 kilo ohm thermistor both are in the voltage divider connection. As the temperature increases, the resistance of the thermistor will decrease. This will cause the voltage at the inverting output of the pin to decrease. Next is the reference voltage, that is the potentiometer. Potentiometer is used to set a fixed voltage for the circuit, fixed reference voltage.
So guys, as my friend Rakshit explained about the thermistor and the reference voltage potentiometer, now I'm gonna say you about the LM358 which acts as comparator in this circuit. When the positive pin, that is pin number 3, is higher than pin number 2, which is negative pin, the output goes higher. Due to this, the buzzer turns on. So this makes the activation of the buzzer and the alarm sound comes. From here, my friend Atisha will take on. Thank you.
So hey guys, today I'll be talking about this circuit during what happens during fire. So first we see this is a thermistor. On normal temperature, thermistor resistance will be high. Due to this, the input voltage will be high, and the output voltage will be low. So hence the buzzer will be off. In case of fire, due to rise in temperature, thermistor resistance will decrease and input voltage will also decrease. Due to this, the output voltage will be high and buzzer turns on, and therefore the buzzer rings.
Hello everyone. This is basic